Quiet on set. Quiet on set. It's go time. Beautiful silky pink. Oh. Silky. Oh. Silky. Silky. I'm trying out some more Eryone. This one's silk, pink, going for pink. What's up everybody? Wayne Stevenson here with another filament test. We got another one from Eryone. I already told you guys before in a previous video I'd love to make a vase for my beautiful wife. So I got some Eryone silk. Time to check it out. We're gonna start off with doing a 3D benchy. Stabby! Very nice. Let's load this baby on and get started with our benchy. Let's go rip off that green and put on some pink. Now I'm not done with green by any means, but I need to get my pink loaded up. So like that. Like that. Boom. Goodbye, beautiful green. And hello, sweet silky pink. Boom. Ready for insertion. Come on. Full enough to fill the loading tube. Stub it off so that it's not pointy and doesn't bind. Here comes pink. Beautiful. Well, not yet, but it's getting there. Alright, I'm going to print from an SD file. Go to Benchy. There we go. Boom. So I'm not going to do anything different with this PLA than I do with any other PLA. I'm just going to treat it as PLA. Yeah, some of them like different temperatures of that, but I always have a starting point of around 200 degrees Celsius. So I'm going to start off with that and go from there. If I have to change it, I'll change it. Most times I've found I haven't had to really mess with any temperature changes. You know, it's starting now. Let's check it out. Pull that out of the way. Start fresh. We'll come back to it after. I just bought this Eryone Silk PLA filament. This one's pink, and we're gonna have fun with it. I got it off Amazon. I got the link down below for you. Check it out. Well, so far, so good. The first layer seems to be going down good. Really digging the silk. I love how the light just kind of reflects off it in different weird ways. I think this benchy's gonna be beautiful. We're gonna have to check in probably, I don't know, an hour or two. Can't remember how fast this particular benchy file was printed. I think it was about 2 hours. So let's go back in a couple hours and check it out. Well, for you it'll be instant. Don't worry about that. But before we zoom to it, let's check out this second layer. It's beautiful. I'm liking this. I don't know why I've never tried silk out before. This is beautiful stuff. Check it, check it. So I just stopped the print because I'm having problems, and I'm pretty sure it's temperature related. So I've just started a new print. However, I want to show you what I'm seeing and why I think it might be temperature related. So you've got this layering here. Now everything for the first little while was beautiful. Now closer to the bed you had more heat. So as you start going up, you start seeing some layer adhesion issues. You can see how the layers weren't fusing together. I upped the temperature by a few degrees, 10 degrees. So this is all at 200 degrees. Further away from the bed, cools down a little bit more. So I increase the temperature here, things go back to normal. Now, I can already see right from the beginning layers we had adhesion issues. The layers weren't fusing together. That's my theory anyhow. So I've increased my temperature from 200 degrees Celsius to 220 degrees Celsius, and we'll come back in a little bit and check out that print, see how it's going. You can already see it's off to a nice start. We'll come back shortly and check it out. And boom, we are done the Benchy. Check it out. Pop this baby off. Ooh, there we go. Yeah, I'm thinking it was definitely a temperature issue. And now I would say it's maybe a little bit too hot, so I'll bring her down 10 degrees, see what happens. Let's try again. It's beautiful. It's definitely beautiful. Got like no stringing. Do have some issues along here. I'm thinking, obviously had an issue with the temperature on that one. Looks like I might be a little bit too hot now, but still, I mean, I'm not getting any stringing. This Benchy is looking beautiful. Oh, very little stringing right there. You can't even tell. Like, as far as Benchies go, this is pretty damn good. Anyhow, I'm starting a new one now. I'm gonna do it about 210 degrees Celsius, and tomorrow I'm gonna do some more stuff. Fortunately, we're running out of time today, so you aren't even gonna notice though, cause morning guys, let's check it out. For this, I gotta go to my day job. But when I get back, I'll have a closer look. Well, I'm back from my day job and I am glad to be home, and I can finally take a look at this Benchy in the daylight. Let's check it out right there. Boom, that is beautiful. Oh yeah, I like this. Like this a lot. That out. Beautiful specimen. Look at that, it's a beauty. Look at that. Beautiful specimen. That's gorgeous. I still need to tune my printer a little bit. I got some stringing happening there, but this is gorgeous. Probably try and slow it down a little bit or something, I don't know. It looks great. It's not as flawless as it could be though, but I'm enjoying it. Beautiful color. Yeah, I'm gonna have to find a vase to print right away, so I'll get to work on that shortly. Oh, that is looking beautiful. Lovely. That is just beautiful. We're 66% done in this print. This one's the small one, it's not the full size one. It's still beautiful in every way. Look at that, that is gorgeous. I love that. That is so pretty. Wow. Let's see if we can pry this off without damaging it. Nope, we're still at 45 degrees. This just stopped. I'm gonna hold tight. Let that bed cool down for a few minutes. Ooh, that is pretty. Beautiful, love it. A little stringing. Boom. Behold, pretty. Now that is pretty. Hold on, let's change the exposure here so you get. Now that is pretty. I love it. You can make a little candy dish out of this, put succulents in it, or you can print them bigger, put whatever you want in it. There you have it. The Eryone Silk PLA filament. I love this stuff. It's my first time working with the silk. I absolutely love this kind of oyster pearl-like luster, this luminous sheen on the outside of it. Love the way the light hits it. You can really see how that luster is affected by your difference in angles there. You're getting kind of a two-tone quality there. I hope you like this little introduction to the Eryone Silk PLA. The pink is beautiful. I was printing this at 200 degrees Celsius. Clearly I can slow down my print speed because I'm printing a little too fast for it. If you zoomed in, you see a little bit of the odd blob here and lots of stringing. I'm going to slow it down, let the layers cool off a little bit better, and that's going to increase the print quality on that one. It's not the filament's fault, it's the printer's fault, it's the operator's fault. Thanks for watching.